Hey there everyone, I'm Bryan Fagan here with the Law of Bryan Fagan. And today we're talking about challenging paternity finding in Texas. Allow me to introduce you to Chris. His story is a narrative that mirrors the struggles of countless others who found themselves at the crossroads of presumed fatherhood and agonizing uncertainty. Chris's journey began with a leap of faith. Consumed by doubt, he embarks on a desperate quest to seek answers. He knew the challenges of paternity status required guidance from an experienced family law attorney with our firm. Chris's attorney went through countless medical records, DNA test results, and a mountain of documents in an effort to construct a compelling case. This evidence would be key to finding a resolution. Chris's attorney then filed a petition to challenge the paternity determination. Chris's lawyer presented a plethora of evidence. The main focus was on the DNA results that revealed the truth. In Chris's case, the petition was granted. The paternity finding was challenged, and Chris's status as a presumed father was transformed. Legal and financial obligations were recalibrated to align with the verdict. If Chris's journey resonates with you, or if you are dealing with this type of situation or any type of family law matter, please remember you don't have to face it alone. We're here for you. And if this story has touched you, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.